Hello, it is Aisha, it is I, and I'm back again with another review. So, again, I started doing these reviews just because I got tired of Googling stuff online and going to YouTube and seeing if the hype was really, the hype. And the light looks really good when it hits me from this side. So, today I'm going to jump right into the nitty-gritty, and I'm doing a review for the Luvme hair. And I wanted to do a review so you guys can see the package it comes in. And if you guys buy hair, you guys know that they always really ship it through DHL. Whee! They always ship it through DHL. So when you see the DHL van, know that's my product, okay? So we're going to jump right in. And I'm also going to show you guys how I style my wigs too. My hair right now is wet, so excuse that. But y'all gonna see how I work my magic. And you might hear two Pomeranians in the background, and that's because Precious is disrespectful and Naveen just has no self-control. Okay. So this is the hair, or this is the box that they have sent it in. This is really cute. I like it. See, okay. It's a nice little box, a little cute little bow. A present to me. So, as you guys see, it is the Luvme hair. Unboxing. This is the hair itself. On the wax paper, it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." Thank you, Helena. Thanks, girl. Okay. Oh, y'all must have known I was getting married. Y'all must know that this is my wig for the wedding. Okay. They sent me a curling iron, and I'm not mad about it. Girl, they sent me a curling iron. Cute little goodie bag. A rat tail comb. Hair wax stick. A little Luvme clip. I might put y'all on the side for the wedding. Some tweezers so I can tweeze it up a little bit. Elastic band and some bobby pins. So if you guys are like me, this is not the first video that you guys have seen. And if it is your first video that you've seen, well, thank you for clicking on my video to see what we got going on. But I knew it came with the tweezers and everything like that. But the flat iron or the curling iron, this I did not know about. So, thank you. Y'all just knew I was getting married. I'm with it. Okay. They also have given me a wig cap. I can make that work. And then that's it. So, that is everything that it comes with, as well as the hair itself. They're so sweet. And also, just to let you guys know, I was shopping during the Halloween special. So, my wig was 60% off plus an additional 22% off for Halloween. Thought I saw something. What am I about to say? I know they did not. And this is supposed to be 18 inches. The natural brown-black combo. It does not stink, which is, a thing. If you guys have ever ordered hair from AliExpress, sometimes their hair comes back stinking. This does not stink. And this is supposed to be 18 inches. 18-inch lace. It should have combs in it. Let me see. It has an elastic band. It does not have combs in it, and it's, okay, never mind. It has the combs in the back. So the combs are in the back. I thought the combs would be in the front. They have a comb in the middle of the cap. So I'll still be able to make this work. I can get jiggy with this. So if you give me a quick second, I got the body wave too. Usually, yeah, I had to be popping on wedding day, you feel me? So I am going to braid down my hair, and I will show you guys how I plan on applying this wig, okay? So I will be back. Okay, so I went and did a really quick braid down because I don't really feel like braiding my hair down right now. So this is what we have. Okay. This is it. And by means, I'm just trying it on. I'm just trying it on. I think it came with 2 wig caps. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just extra, y'all. But I already feel weird about that. But it's okay. Oh, so we just made a whole new person. Okay. Okay. We just made a whole new person. This is why I am how I am. Okay? A hot mess. Because I'm just saying, I ain't even cut the band off yet. I ain't even cut the band off yet. Y'all. Precious. Yo. Okay, so I have not even cut the band off. Okay? I ain't even cut the band off yet. And this is what we're working with. Just straw straight out the package. Straight out the package raw. Okay? Straight out the package. So let me cut the band and we'll go from there. Okay. So again, y'all, this is raw. This is the raw unboxing of the Luvme hair. Okay. This is 18 inch. I'm 5'1", if that helps you make your decision. I'm 5'1", this is 18 inches. Okay. I know I said I was gonna like style it and stuff like that. But y'all, with the way I'm feeling right now, I'm not styling it. Okay? I'm not. Okay? But while you're here, this is it. This is 18 inches body wave from Luvme Hair. And honestly, I'm not mad at it. I'm really excited about it. I'm really happy about it. I feel like when I braid my hair down, it's going to look amazing. I feel like when I curl it with the curling iron that they have just given me, I don't know if I'm going to use it because I don't think it goes up to 400. Yeah, so, yeah. When I curl it, it's going to look fabulous. Okay? Because it already looks fabulous, is what I'm saying. It already looked popping. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the review. The hair, I guess, is really what this really is what they're talking about. Okay, it really is like that out here in the streets. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I will post a video of me actually doing my hair. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. I hope you find what you're looking for. I paid $160 for this unit. And I'm really satisfied with it. So, I hope you find what you're looking for on their site. See ya!